So everyone, you were watching the video yesterday. I think I said today is June 16th, but it was not June 16th. It was June 15th yesterday. But the days, they just fly by, right, Toma? They fly like airplanes, Toma. Every day is fast, 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 right? So today we're experimenting with this today, with this. We're going to learn that fresh water has no solids. Salt is a solid. Fresh water has no solids, so it means many things can sink in water. Fresh water is not dense. Remember that from a former lesson, from an earlier lesson, Toma? Not dense, very dense. But salt water like in the ocean, does have solids, like salt. So salt water is more dense than fresh water. So today we're combining our coverage of rivers with the ocean. But most important, Toma, what is most important? You like rivers? Yes. Do you like oceans? Yes, but what do rivers and oceans need?
Water.
Where does the water come from?
Rain.
Yes. Isn't that great when students really completely understand, absorb, and remember previous lessons? That's amazing. That means you're building real knowledge, Toma. It's pretty amazing. So let's get into it, you guys. There's actually 17 worksheets today because of the evening class, but you don't have to do them all, don't worry. Okay, so here you go. This is worksheet number 1. It talks about this talks about river. Here we go. Just got a quick email from Hiroko there, but yes, this is the river. Very nice. We need to know that one. And we're going to flip over to this one as well. This is ocean. Ocean. And you see there's rain in both the river and the ocean. River and ocean. Which way am I putting the worksheets down? Like that? Good. Okay, here we're going back to our podium again because it worked really well a couple days ago. Here, rain is number 1, you guys. That's right. Remember that. Rain is number 1. Later, we'll learn a new word for number 1. A new word. Here's worksheet number 4. Thank you, rain, the horse says. Thank you, rain, because the horse is drinking from the river. Thank you, rain. Now, let's go to that word. What's a word that we can use instead of number 1? Right? Toma is number 1. Right? English is number 1. Rain is number 1. Well, you can use a word instead of number 1. The word is important. Important. Right? Here we have to draw your rain in the correct square. So which one do you draw it in? Rain is important. Rain is number 1 for what we're talking about these days. Rain is number 1. Without rain, there just is no water. Here we go. The octopus, the fish, and the boy are saying, thank you, rain. Thank you, rain. Worksheet number 6. Number 7, a little bit more reading involved with number 7, but rain is important. Yes, we know that now. Rain is number 1. Rain is important. Rain fills the river so the horse can drink. Okay, picture. Rain fills the ocean so we can swim more easily. Draw your picture. All right, you guys? But we're going to discover today that river water and ocean water is just not the same. And here, let's help our horse. Be careful, horse. The water is the same or not the same. You see the horse, it wants to drink, right, Toma? Toma, look, Toma. The horse, it wants to drink. But which one should the horse drink from? Can you touch? Which one should the horse drink from? Did you touch the river? Yes, correct. But Toma, why? Why should the horse drink from the river and not the ocean? See, it's hard right now because Toma hasn't done the lesson yet. But Toma's here today. We're going to do another video today, right? Open class week. You're going to see the amazing Toma be able to answer that question. You can do it, Toma. Smart boy, that one. Okay, here we go. This is number 9. Number 9, we're getting higher up here. I'm going to say hello to the evening class. This is minute 5, it told me. Minute 5. So hello today to Honami, Mayuki, Sakurako, Soma, Atsushi. Yoko is not here today. Yoko has some friends visiting, so she's from a different country. So she's playing with them today. It's nice. Okay, so hello to Honami, Mayuki, Sakurako, Soma, and Atsushi. Good evening. We're starting actually at worksheet number 8, but I'm saying hello from number 9 worksheet. Today we're talking about river water and ocean water. We're talking about fresh water and salt water. We're talking about water that is not dense and water that is dense. We're talking about water that we can drink, water that we cannot drink. All right, we're comparing. We're talking about things that can sink, things that can float. All right? Okay, hi everyone, good evening. This is Friday, June 16th, and evening class. Let's for the rest of you, let's carry on with the video. Got the evening class, let's go. This is worksheet number 9. Number 9, rivers are made of fresh water, oceans are made of salt water. So here, you can draw your river water, okay? And over here, draw your ocean water with salt. With salt. Okay, so basically your river water is just going to look blue. But your ocean water is going to look blue. You can color it blue first and then take a white crayon and you can just put some little white dots in there. The white dots represent salt. That's right. Did someone say salt? That's right, that's right. Remember, anything that does not have any solids, like salt, anything that does not have solids is not dense. Fresh water from the river does not have any solids. It does not have salt. It is not dense. Many things can sink. But ocean water does have solids. It has salt. It is dense, so things cannot sink so easily, they float. Explains a lot of things in our world, actually, if you understand just that concept. Okay, here comes number 10. If you go back to number 8, you'll understand why this is a little bit funny. All right, why can't the horse drink ocean water? The horse cannot drink ocean water because, go ahead. Thank you. Now I know why I can never drink ocean water. I'll stick to those rivers with my friend Bucky. Thank you. All right, so that's worksheet number 10. But you're probably going to do worksheet number 8 with Atomi first. So you'll understand first where the horse needs to drink. And then you'll get into it from there. Okay, you guys? Hiroko, good morning, Hiroko. The amazing Hiroko has just arrived. Hello. And can you just grab Emma 910?
Yeah,
and I'll get all the rest.
Okay.
So I'll get K.
Should I go get another car?
You can use your favorite highest. This is the caravan.
Yeah, okay.
Highest keys in the basket. And I'll wait. Can you just receive Rena when she comes? She's coming in a few minutes. Rena.
Dina.
Yeah, watch your head. Yeah, I'm gonna carry on here. So just wait a couple minutes here.
Yeah.
This is number 11. Sorry, number 11. Fresh water has no solids. Without solids, it is easy to sink. Ocean water has salt, which is a solid. With solids, it is easier to float. It is easier for the boy to swim in the ocean because why? Can you answer? Why? And we're going to try that this summer, Mayuki. We're going to try to swim in a lake, which is fresh water, and we'll try to go to the beach and the ocean and try to swim in the ocean a little bit if it's not too cold. And then you'll really realize. And if it is too cold, well then we'll experiment with things that sink. Sticks and twigs are a really good example of that. Okay, here we go. This is number 12. I'm just gonna go a little bit faster now, sorry. Number 12, help the fish to say thank you. So why is the fish saying thank you down here, guys? Use your imagination with that one, okay? Number 13. From number 14, it told me I'm going to leave you alone with that because you can just Those can be bonus worksheets for the students, okay? Here's number 13, experiment. I can tell the difference between fresh water and salt water. So you can write fresh water here, salt water here, and then work with the Tomi and create a list of things that you think are going to sink and float. And draw a picture of the things that you think are going to sink in the, which one? In the freshwater glass or the saltwater glass? If you said freshwater, perfect. Okay, number 14 onwards, you can do on your own as a bonus, okay, you guys? I'll see you when I get back to school today. Tic-tac-toe if we have a chance. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed these worksheets again today. Almost 2 hours to build these again today, so I'll see you later. Bye.